Hello everybody! Today we are gonna look at what needs to be inside an amateur athlete's gym bag. So, first and foremost, in order to go in a gym, you will need a branded gym bag. And I have one. It's already half the battle. If you don't have a branded bag, your workouts cannot be effective. Brands matter. Brands lift your social status up in the eyes of other people. It makes you feel more comfortable, lessens your anxiety. Okay, what else do I have in my bag? Let's see. Pair of training shoes in a good condition. By the way, they are branded. Joy! Could you please confirm whether these Chuck Taylors are genuine?
But babe, we bought them at the market. They went for $8. We haggled over them down to $7.
As it's brand, they are genuine. It's brand, Converse. See? Converse. Brand. Change of clothes, in good condition. Wrist support bandage. Elite fitness gloves. Training diary. And one-time workout payment, because you have to pay for your workout.